Hi, everyone, and welcome to Making Noise in Old Bridge. This is a show that introduces you to some local bands in the neighborhood, and I'm here today with our guests, Flowers to Flames. Welcome, guys. Why don't you guys start off by letting us know your names?
I'm Nikki.
Donna.
Ethan. Max.
Great, and welcome. And how long have you guys been playing for?
Her and I have been playing for 3 years.
And you guys?
I've been playing for about 16 years now.
Okay. And I guess you guys have been doing this for a while. What really gave you your interest in creating music together?
Well, her and I went to a music school when we were a little bit younger, and when we started playing all the songs with all the other people, we were like, this is awesome, let's do it ourselves. So that's pretty much why, and we just love it.
Awesome. And can you tell us who some of your musical influences are?
Heart.
Yeah, like Heart and Led Zeppelin, Metallica, even some newer people like Hailstorm. We just love rock and heavy metal.
So you guys are pretty young, right? How old are you guys?
16.
And you guys?
I'm 22.
I'm 18.
Cool. So what advice can you give to either people your own age or even just older people that really want to break into the music scene?
Just do it. If you want to and it's your dream, you should just make it happen.
You wouldn't want to miss out on anything just because you were too scared. Just do it.
Cool. And you guys, do you do a lot of gigs around New Jersey? Where are some of the places that you guys perform at?
Well, like recently on August 30th, we're going to go to Crossroads in Garwood, New Jersey for the second round of the break contest. And then after that, we're going to perform the Rock Carnival in Clark, New Jersey. It's going to be a lot of fun.
Awesome. Really cool. Well, congrats you guys to everything you've done so far. And now you're welcome. And now we're going to hear some music from Flowers to Flames.
All right, we're Flowers to Flames, and this first song's called Neverland. There's a place in Neverland where you'll find a knife in your hand. Use it to escape till you find your place in the prison race. Not insane, my friend. You're just waiting till this nightmare ends. We're just having fun. There's no way out, so don't try and run. Is this a jail? Am I in hell? Show me your worst. After death comes out survive. Come my child and take my hand to a land of pixie dust and sand, on the devil's beach where happiness is far beyond your reach. Is this a jail? Am I in hell? Show me your worst. After death comes out Okay, well, this next one's called Fortune's Fool. What's meant to be will be, and I don't lie. You're what I've been waiting for all this time. You say you've never seen true beauty until this night. But the only true beauty is in the light. Slam the door and shut the lights. You're not gonna sleep tonight. I'll take away your life. I love the way it tastes, and I don't know why. So wait for me at my balcony and bring your thoughtless mind. I'll show you what it sounds like when doves cry. Love is an illusion for the weak. They knew you were no good when they heard you speak. Although this view lands in a fate that is so cold, my anger lies in the existence of your soul. I only met you yesterday. What makes you think that I was dead? I'll take away your life. I love the way it tastes, and I don't know why. So wait for me at my balcony and bring your thoughtless mind. I'll show you what it sounds like when doves cry. Shall I compare it with summer's day? The soaring heat and pain that never ever goes away. To say that death could never conquer me. Now I'm full of fear. All right, this next original song we're gonna play for you is called "Love Evil." Your breeze You bleed sunshine, and I bleed cold as I watch you run away. Well, I wonder where you are tonight. We're alive, try not to die, but your love is killing me ever so slowly. I see black, your eyes are hazel. On the darkest of nights, your Sunday morning. Before you love me, can you ask yourself if only fools would trade heaven for a bright side of hell? And as you watch me hide away, I'm loving you for who you are. Tonight, we're alive, we'll try not to die, but your love is killing me ever so slowly. We'll try not to die. 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 All right, well, thank you. This is the last song we're going to play for you guys. Again, we're Flowers to Flames. You can find us on Facebook and all other social media sites. And this song's called Red Death. Why'd you take this rose? Warm, so warm now, evermore.
Thank you for watching. This has been Making Noise in Old Bridge, and I'd like to thank our guests again, Flowers to Flames. Great job. And if you want to learn more about the band, check out www.flowerstoflames.com, and you can also find them on Facebook as well. Thanks for watching.